Hi, I'm Helene Segura of Living Order San Antonio, and here's another organizing tip for teachers.
It's important to set up a classroom to function for your students, but it's equally important to set up a teachers only zone where you can store your supplies, reference materials, and confidential papers. The layout of this teacher zone won't work because there's student textbooks and dictionaries mixed in, which means this will turn into a high traffic area. This bookcase should be moved to the area of the classroom where other student supplies are kept. Think about the layout of your classroom and set up your teachers only zone.